Where is all this rust coming from? It's in the back of the wheel wells, the front of the wheel wells, and underneath the tail lights. The source of the problem is leaky taillight seals and a bad trunk seal. After cleaning the channel, I applied miracle paint to rust. You must wait several hours for miracle paint to dry. A practice installation of the trunk seal revealed problems getting it to conform to the corners. The trick is to line up this seam with the end of this plastic piece. Apply contact cement to each surface you want to stick together. Then wait a few minutes and push the pieces together. The seals around the taillights are another source of leaks. The round side of the seal goes in the channel, and the flat side faces out. This rubber piece is held by two screws, the holes for which also are a source of leaks. Apply plumber's putty around the washer to stop the leaks. A couple of taps with a hammer reveals the extent of the rust damage. I repaired the holes with 4 layers of fiberglass cloth saturated in miracle paint. Fortunately, the interior frames were not rust damaged. Place wax paper on the Bondo when it's still soft to help shape it. A 1 1/4 inch hole saw is the right size for the body plug. I bought my door that covers the fuel cap to Home Depot so they can make a can of paint that matched the color. I used it to paint the inner fender well. Provide Sherwin-Williams Automotive your paint code and they can make a can of spray paint for you. More fiberglass, Bondo, and painting. There's a covered channel along the rear of the trunk which water had run into and caused rust. I poured oil into it to avoid further rust. Excess oil oozes out from various places, so it'll be ready for cleanup. A reputable body shop would have charged me over $2,000 for this job. The cost to me for the gaskets, paint, and Bondo was around $200. The results are far from showroom perfection, but not bad for a rugged daily driver.